Today we'd like to feature a new product that has been added to the Red Devil tool line. The Red Devil Heavy Duty Folding Lock Utility Knife. This knife has been designed with multifunction and durability in mind. Now let's take a look at some of the many features this knife has to offer. As you can see, there's a blade guard here. Take the blade guard off. Quick change blade mechanism. Here's the button. Easy release of the blade for removal and loading. There is 3 positions for the blade. One here, and one here. Now let me open again. One of the main features here is a wire stripper. Also, this position is great for cutting carpet. Great for putting strength on and depth of your cut. Now it's closed the blade. Comes with a very durable body. Has a nice belt clip made out of metal and a lanyard hole. And one of the last features is a very convenient blade storage area for holding 3 extra blades.